Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Skool to earn passive income. Even if you're a beginner, you can set this up once and keep earning over time. First, sign up on Skool and create your own community. This will be your hub where members join, access content, and engage with your material. Next, pick a niche that people are willing to pay for. This could be online business, freelancing, personal development, or study tips. Focused niches work best. Now, create evergreen content that doesn't require constant updates. This can be lessons, tutorials, guides, or templates that people can use anytime. Then set up a paid membership or course. Charge a monthly fee or one-time payment so members automatically pay to access your content. Finally, promote your community. Share it on social media, YouTube, or your email list. Once members join, they keep paying for access, creating passive income over time. And that's it. Using Skool for passive income is really that simple. Create value once, set pricing, and grow your community while earning consistently.